Now, when it comes to IELTS reading, time management is really important. I have some pretty simple advice when it comes to this. Practice the exam and time how long it takes you to do certain questions, and keep a note of the style of questions you're actually having trouble with. That means you need to both work on those the most and also allocate the most time out of the exam to those style of questions. Even if you manage to improve in some form, you still need to spend a bit longer on difficult questions. So complete the easy questions in a quicker time and focus a little bit longer on the harder ones. You can't ignore them. You don't have a choice. You have to do them. With this advice, however, I also recommend not worrying about timing too much at the very beginning of your learning, because now is the time for you to actually learn your skill. Once you have achieved this reading skill, then start to time yourself. My last tip for you with the reading video is how to use keywords in IELTS reading. Why do candidates make so many mistakes in the reading paper? Time and the difficulty of the text are two reasons. Another reason is that they do not read in the right way and they focus on keywords only. Keywords can help, but only if used correctly. If used incorrectly, they can in fact cause more mistakes, not fewer. Let's look at why and how and when you should look at keywords in the IELTS reading. Keywords can help you read more efficiently and faster. This is helpful because the texts are quite long and normally they're quite complex as well. If you focus on keywords, you can read more quickly by only looking at the part of the text you need, which is actually a really great thing. So why not use the keywords approach by itself if it works? Well, sadly, only using the keywords approach probably causes more avoidable errors than anything else in the reading paper. This is because it makes you try and match words in the question with words in the text. In fact, the reading paper doesn't work in this way. You are not matching words, but meaning. This is an extremely important distinction, which is important to understand. Let's have a look at an example so I can show you what I mean. For a few years, there has been a campaign to improve school meals in the UK. Daniel Brown is the head teacher of a school that banned junk food and started serving healthy food in 2006. Our research shows that since 2006, the children's behaviour in class has been a lot better. They are now calmer and they concentrate more. As a result, they are learning more. The question is, when did the school start serving healthy food? Which one do you think is the answer? A few years ago, 2006, or since 2006? Well, the answer is actually 2006 because we are looking at a particular and specific point in time, thus the word when. They have not asked the question of a period of time, such as since when or how long. So we must reply back with the exact same meaning, which is a point. Many people ask me when to use keywords. Well, keywords are useful. Of course they are. However, they only ever tell you where in the text the answer is. They don't actually tell you what the answer is. So my strong suggestion is this. Look at keywords in the question. Underline keywords in the text. And always read the whole question for meaning before you fill in your answer. It may take you more time this way, but you will certainly get more answers correct. And this is the whole point, right? It's not wise to do it quickly, but to do it quickly and well. Now that's all for my advice and tips for the reading part of the IELTS exam. Good luck!